So friends, let me show you our room of Padma Resort. This is really very nice. Enter થાવ એટલે અહીંયા તમારું storage type છે. And this is the bathroom. અહીંયા bathtub પણ છે. અને you can have a hello. And you can have a access directly to room. અને આ room છે. અહીંયા રૂમની અંદર જ તમને એક સોફા ચેર ને એ મળે છે. તમને રૂમની અંદર જ કાંઈ ખાવું હોય તો they have put some fruits and chairs, and the best thing is gallery, and Shahenshah is resting here. So my gallery છે with sofa and chairs, and look at the view. આખું જંગલ અહીંથી દેખાય છે. અને નીચે એ લોકોનો જે સ્વિમિંગ પૂલ છે, જે ઇન્ફિનિટી સ્વિમિંગ પૂલ કહેવાય. દેટ મીન્સ કે ત્યાં પાછળ કાંઈ હોય નહીં, ડાયરેક્ટ આખું જંગલ જ છે. એવો એ લોકોનો બહુ જ મોટો સ્વિમિંગ પૂલ છે. અને અત્યારે અહીંયા ધોધમાર વરસાદ પડે છે. And yes, look what we got, surprise! So welcome to Bali Cake. It is a complimentary for us. And it's really surprise for us also. So chef, are you going to make a coffee for us?
Sure. Obviously તમે પ્રીમિયમ જગ્યાએ રહેતા હોય તો બધી આમાં જે એમ્યુનિટીઝ હોય એ બી પ્રીમિયમ હોય. કારણ કે કોફી સેશન નથી હોતા, જો આવી રીતના પોડ્સ હોય છે. એકચ્યુઅલી કોફીનું કોન્સન્ટ્રેટ અને પાવડર કે પોટેબલ એમાં હોય છે. ફોરેન કન્ટ્રીઝમાં મોસ્ટલી આ જ યુઝ થાય. આ પ્રોપર જે કોફી હોય એ હોય છે. અને અહીંયા ઓબ્વિયસલી જાવાની કોફી કેટલી ફેમસ છે એ ઓબ્વિયસલી લોકલ છે તો એ હોય. ઓકે, તો બનાવીએ. આ કોફી મશીન છે. ઓકે, સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે એમાં રિફિલ પાણી કરીશું. ઓકે, પાણી રિફિલ કરીએ એટલે આ ક્લોઝ કરી દીધું આપણે. હવે પોટ લેવાનું છે. જો આવી રીતના થાય છે અહીંથી આગળથી. પોટ આપણે અંદર પ્રેસ કરીએ આમ, અને રેડી. અને હવે આપણે કપ મૂકી દઈશું અને સ્ટાર્ટ.
યસ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, તો અત્યારે બપોરના 3 વાગ્યા છે અને વી આર એટ પૂલ, બટ ઇટ્સ રેઇનિંગ હેવીલી હિયર, બટ ધ વ્યૂ ઇઝ જસ્ટ લાઈક વાવ. તમને આમાં જે થોડું ધૂંધળું દેખાય છે એ વાદળાઓ અહીંથી પસાર થઈ રહ્યા છે. આખું જંગલ છે, વરસાદ, પૂલ. ઇટ્સ લાઈક નેવર બિફોર.
While I'm singing, can I want to sing?
Yes friends, this is the morning view from my gallery. તમને જે ધૂંધળું દેખાય છે મારા ફોનમાં નથી ઇશ્યુ, પણ વાદળાઓ એટલા નીચા છે બિકોઝ આ એકદમ હાઈટ પર છે. તો સો બ્યુટીફુલ વ્યૂ. હજી સવારના 6 જ વાગ્યા છે પણ એકદમ અજવાળું થઈ ગયું છે અહીંયા.
Everest Kitchen King Masala. Good morning. 419, please.
219.
219, 419.
It's 219.
Sorry, 219, 219, sorry.
40%, right?
219, yeah, thank you. Then a view, lovely view from here. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Views. Have a look at the views. Lots of varieties. Lots of. This is Indian corner. Tonu will be happy.
Let us know about the Ramayana and Mahabharata you people studied in elementary.
If you want to see the Ramayana story,
Yeah.
we have the dance for Ramayana story at the Uluwatu temple. In the same time, inside the temple, you can see the dance, the Ramayana dance. Also, you can see the sunset
Sunset.
inside the temple.
No. I'm just. What Tanvi is saying. I think you learned the Ramayana, all the
yeah.
Vedas in your elementary
How do you
school.
know Ramayana?
Yes, I know the Ramayana.
Yeah. How?
Yeah.
Like
Well,
when you-
before, I told you
School.
before, we start learn the Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita,
Yeah,
Vedas.
Bhagavad Gita.
Start from the elementary school.
That's in your elementary school.
Yeah,
Wow.
Start from the elementary school.
Start from maybe 7 years old.
Really?
Yeah, start from the children. We learn about the Ramayana.
all
Maybe
the
not
collect-
complex.
Not complex.
Not
Not
maybe,
complete.
Maybe like this one. The Rama. This guy is too handsome.
Yes.
Yes.
He's a nice guy. Like that. Only
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. Basic.
Basic-
but at
Yeah,
least you
basically.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rama's wife.
Rama's wife, the Sita, the
Rama-
Lakshmana,
Yeah.
the Dasamuka, Dasamuk,
That's all. 10-headed Ravana.
Ravana, and Ravana brother, Ravana brother, Wibisana.
Oh,
What
good.
you call for Wibisana?
Vibhishan.
Vibhishan.
Vibhishana. Yeah,
we call
Vibhishan.
Wibisana.
Yeah.
Wow.
Kumbhakarna.
Kumbhakarna. Yeah, his brother. Yeah,
Yeah.
Ravana's brother Kumbhakarna. How about the Pandavas? It is Pandav.
Pandava, Yudhishthira, Bhim, Arjun.
You studied everything this in your elementary school.
Oh, we know.
Wow.
Gatot Kaca Abhimanyu.
Kairaj Kata, Abhimanyu.
We
I love
start
this.
learn Mahabharata, Ramayana, start from elementary school.
And still you study. I mean, still the children study about.
Yes.
Yeah. Wow.
Still now, we still learn till high school.
Till high school.
Yeah. But in junior school, more press.
More pressure.
More pressure about the religion. More pressure to the student. Like maybe why the Dasamuk they fight with the Ram.
Okay, more deep, yeah, more depth.
Like maybe why Arjun fight with his
Oh, wow.
about the Tri
from-
Sandhya, Puja Tri. So we call it Puja Tri Sandhya.
Yes.
You must learn. You must practice every day.
And
Right.
what your ancient said to you?
You said earlier about the ancient, like,
yeah, of course. Like,
when you are like young, what did the family values life,
for
looking,
for the Ramayana.
not the Ramayana, but when you, from the early age, you said, mentioned
Put
about
religion first, then family.
put religion first, put family
That's
first, put
Yeah.
human being
Our
first.
ancient always said like this one. This one. You must learn about your religion first.
Okay, the very
Then the
first
other.
thing. Right.
Okay.
After your religion, you learn the religion,
Mhm.
you can learn anything.
Wow. Good.
The first thing is religion. Because
Religion.
in your religion already teach all over your life.
Sure, sure.
Already teach how to work, how to talk with the other person, how to talk with the parent, how to care about the parent.
How to care about it, talk to
Yeah.
parents. Yeah.
And our ancient, the important our ancient cities,
Mm-hmm.
more children, more fortune.
More children, more fortune.
Yeah, more children, more luck for you.
Really? Wow.
Because why? Who can us if we are already old?
True. Who will look after us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who will pray us?
Who will
if
pray us?
we already die?
Yes.
Ah,
I like that.
Yeah. Because our ancient said, your children is your asset.
Children is
No
your asset.
more
Yeah, they are.
important asset.
Yes.
That's why we care about our children. First,
Mhm.
they must learn religion.
Respect religion. Yeah.
My English is not too good.
No, your English is so good. I mean, it cannot be better than this.